Hello, everybody. This is David Theriault here, and I'm going to talk to you about our Huntington Beach Unified High School District Distance Learning Canvas course. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to give you a tour today of what it looks like inside the course so you can see, do I want to check it out? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make myself a little smaller over here on the side. I'm using Loom to make this screencast. Okay, so if you go to the distance learning PD course, you'll see there's a bunch of stuff here for you. And let's just dive right in here. So getting started with Canvas. For those of you who have never used Canvas before, or you've just barely dabbled, like you're just doing announcements only, this is where you want to get started. So right here, getting started with Canvas, just click on it. And here are the different topics. You're going to see what you need. I think all of us are fine with 1.1, hopefully. And then what are some of the basics of Canvas? And then how to build modules, content and discussions, assignments, grading, and quizzes, and then Canvas guides to getting started as an instructor. And let's just click on 1.2 here, getting started Canvas basics. You'll see there's these great videos that you can watch that'll give you a little overview. And I'll talk to you about setting your notifications, adding your profile picture, which is really important for your students to be able to see you in the Canvas course. Email in Canvas, which is, it's kind of called, it's like an inbox. It's right over here on the left. See this little inbox right there. And if you need help, also, I just want to let you know, you can always click this little help button right here and get help, which is really cool. Okay, and then if you'll see right here, there's these tips from our teachers, which is really nice. And we've divided it up into 6 different topics. So simplify, use familiar tools, go asynchronous, practice kindness, communicate, and plan ahead. Let's just dive into one of these and take a look at it real quick. So simplify, if you click on it, you will see that this is a Google slide that has been embedded in Canvas. And if you ever need help being able to do that, you can. It's a really cool thing to be able to embed a Google slide inside of your Canvas course. And then we can just click and we can learn. So look at this. We got a tip from Mr. Wilton. So, he goes through and tells us in navigation under class settings, eliminate assignments so that students have to follow your modules. That is excellent advice, Mr. Wilton. And then if you come here, you can see some advice from Aaron, and you can see some advice from Mr. Coles, who's been teaching an online hybrid class forever. So there are teachers from all over our district, hybrid teachers, who have put their number one tip into these different things, which is great. And you can see it's not a lot of reading. It's a very specific little tip, and you can learn a lot from this. So once again, so every single one of these is going to have tips from your coworkers about specific things in Canvas. You could just click around and find out different stuff. So we've looked at the getting started, tips from our teachers, core resources. This is fantastic. I'm so glad we have one place. I'm going to use this all the time. So if you want to know more about using Flipgrid, Google Slides, Pear Deck, PlayPosit, which I just tried for the first time the other day, and it was awesome. Screencasting or video conferencing, it's all right here. These are our core tools, and you can kind of learn on them. And then look at all these ed tech help guides. Are you kidding me? Chris Long and everybody else who put these together. It's so cool. And look at this one right here. How useful is this? Calling student homes via Google Hangouts so you don't have to use your home phone number. Wow, perfect. Thanks, Chris. So all of these great tutorials all right here. Everybody's always wanted one place. Boom, right here, core resources. And then PD recordings. Oh, I like to learn from video. I don't want to just do it on my own. Look at this. We've got all these videos that we've been creating. We're going to add more to it. But if you want to learn Flipgrid from Kimberly, you can. If you want to learn screencasting from Aaron Tyson, fantastic, right? So you can come here and now let's say, oh my gosh, Mr. Theriault, I need a tutorial video made for a special thing. Like, can you please help me with Canvas quizzes? I've been trying to use Google Classroom and it's not working. And so, because whenever my students spell Sacramento with a small s, they get it wrong. Can you help me with Canvas quizzes? Because that'll work. Sure. All you have to do is click special requests right here, and then just reply to it right here, and we will make a tutorial for you. How rad is that? It's pretty rad. Okay. And then you can go to this help board. So I need help with this. Like, please help me right now. And you can go to this help board, and I check this, Chris Long checks it, all the TRTs check it, and you can see there's people putting stuff in here and there's people being replied to and helped. So if you need help right now from somebody at Huntington Beach Unified High School District, you can go to this help board and get help right now. Okay, and then if you want to get, like, you're an advanced user and you want to go a whole different level, you can go to this advanced instructional design course, which we're not even going to dive into right here, and boom, you can find out a whole bunch more. So I am letting you know that just to be ready for either all distance learning or hybrid distance learning, or just to make your Canvas course better, if we're face-to-face next year, but you want your Canvas course just a little bit better, please come to this distance learning course. You don't even have to join the course to look around. Chris sent you all a link, and you can just get in here and learn some stuff. I've learned stuff in here, and I'm going to learn stuff from here. And this is a wonderful resource for all of us. Okay, thank you all very much. Good luck this summer. If you need any help, please let us know. We're always here for you, and take care and be safe.